Hello everyone, this is another video from Richmond Hill Hyundai. A couple of customers asked me, Christian, how good is the sound system on the 2021 Hyundai Sonata? Especially on this trim here that has the Bose audio sound system. So I just wanted to quickly give you a little sound of how that would look. Thank you for experiencing this sound clip with me, and there will be many more to come on vehicles similar to this. If you have any questions on this vehicle or any vehicle similar to this, please give me a contact at knolan@phaetonauto.com, or you go onto the Richmond Hill Hyundai website and we can contact there. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you guys in the next one.